Okay. Whenever you're ready, go shoot. Not bad. All right, lock to the rear. Go drop the magazine and move it forward. Decock it. This is a decocking lever. With this thumb, push that lever down.
This one?
Yep.
Down? Oh, that one.
Hold on. Oh, it's because the magazine's out of it. That's right. Let's keep it locked to the rear. We'll keep it. All right. Now we're out of. That's pretty good. Look, you got.
Let me see, Matt.
I got one in the shoulder.
You got one in the shoulder, but that's all center mass. That's pretty good. All right.
What'd you think?
It was scary the first shot, but then the rest was awesome.
All right, now it's Amber's turn.